Hello, welcome to IMA. Do you know about TNPSC Group 4? What are the details of TNPSC Group 4? Let me explain. Combined Civil Services Examination 4, Group 4 Services. TNPSC Group 4 is a popular recruitment process conducted by the TNPSC to fill various government job positions in Tamil Nadu. The minimum qualification requirement for the exam is SSLC. The available vacancies include roles like Junior Assistant in different boards organization, Typist, Receptionist cum Telephone Operator, Laboratory Assistant, Bill Collector. 5 job positions are included under government roles. Here's a quick look at the important details you should know. Organization, TNPSC. Post name, Group 4. Subjects included Tamil or English. Eligibility cum scoring test. General Studies, SSLC Standard, Aptitude and Mental Ability Test, SSLC Standard. Selection process, written exam and documents verification. Type of questions, MCQs based, A, B, C, D is. Mode of exam, offline. Negative marking, no negative marking. Total marks, 300. Total duration, 3 hours. Total questions, 200. Official website www.tnpsc.government.in. Understand this point clearly as I explain. Age limit. Let me explain. The minimum age requirement is 18 years. The maximum age limit is 32 years for all applicants. Look at the table below. Serial number. Category: SCs, SCAs, STs, and destitute widows of all communities, and MBCs or DCs, BC, OBCMs, and BCMs. One VAO 42 and 42. 2. Junior Assistant 37 and 34. 3. Typist, Receptionist, Telephone Operator 37 and 34. 4. Stenotypist, Personal Assistant, Junior Executive, Laboratory Assistant, both of no age limit. Note: no maximum age limit shall mean that the candidates should not have completed 60 years of age. Application fee. Let me explain. Look at table. 1. Registration fee, one-time registration, 150 rupees. 2. Examination fee, 100 rupees. Fees exemption. Let me explain. 1. Persons with benchmark disability are exempted from the TNPSC Group 4. Most backward classes, denotified communities, backward classes other than Muslim, and backward classes, Muslim, have 3 free attempts. While ex-servicemen have 2 free attempts. I hope you found the TNPSC Group 4 learning video useful. Thank you.